Okay, this is for all of my G Suite, Google, and Zoom loving friends. If you are like me, you might spend a bit of time having various different Zoom meetings. Now, it is a pain in the absolute backside to have to go into Zoom, create a meeting ID number to then share it in a calendar request so that you can lock in a date and time. Now, there is a cool little tool that is going to help you to be able to manage all of this from directly within the Google or the G Suite calendar, so you actually don't have to go in and out of Zoom to do it. Now, you do need to be using Google Chrome because it is a Chrome extension. So what you need to do is you need to install this little extension. Now, I will put the link to this in the comments below so you don't have to go searching for it. So install this. It will then pop up into your extension bar up here in the top right of your web browser. So you can see here there's a little Zoom scheduler icon. Now, it will get you to log in when you first do it, so just log into your Zoom account. You can create and schedule meetings directly from here, but this isn't how we're going to do it. I just need you to quickly check something. So if you click on the settings, or it might even get you to walk through doing this when you first actually log in. Just make sure all of this is okay, and make sure this box for including the join URL in the location field is ticked, and then click Save Changes on that one. So now if we pop across into Google Calendar, so I've picked a random week in February next year so that my week's blank so we can play with this. Now, there are two ways to obviously make an appointment. You find a day and time and you click in here, and then you start filling in the information. So what you'll see now that we've installed that little plugin is that down the bottom right-hand side, you now have a Make It a Zoom Meeting button. So if we were to invite myself to this, you'll see that this all pops up. The guest is there. We've got the date and the time. If you have not changed the settings in your G Suite account, you might get the Google Hangouts little thing pop up in here as well, trying to schedule a Hangout meeting. Just delete that. If you need help to remove that from your G Suite account, let me know and I'm happy to send you through instructions on how to do that. Once you've done that, just click Make It a Zoom Meeting. Now, it will automatically populate. You can see now in the location field, it's got the Zoom login details. So if we click Send to send that, and we open this back up, so the location is now the Zoom link, and you can see all of the Zoom details have been popped in under the description. Now, when making a Zoom meeting directly from here, you'll see that this blue Zoom button has pretty much changed to like this was your original save button, but for Zoom meetings. So as soon as you push that, it's going to save the event and send the invitations. When you do it the other way, so say we click more options to open up the full screen, and we put someone in again, so it's myself, you'll see if I click Make It a Zoom Meeting in this one, the screen will actually stay open. So you can see that the location has been changed to the Zoom ID number and all of the details have been popped in down below as well. You can then save it and send the invitations like you normally would. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know, and here's to time saving.